Rose quartz, rose quartz, rose quartz. Beautiful angels, call on your guardian angels, beautiful soul. They have messages for you. Perhaps you're already having an inkling or a nudge from your angels to clear your mind and connect your heart, mind, and soul. Clear that connection so that your conscious mind is less noisy, much less, or hopefully stopping trash talk in this moment. Opening your crown chakra with amethyst so that you can more easily, more clearly connect with your spirit, your higher self, and your angels, your guardian angels, as well as spiritual expansion, for your path. What is it that you want to do? What are you thinking about doing differently, or how to show up more? As people say, leaning in. I haven't quite figured out what that term means. Like leaning into fear, leaning into prosperity, leaning into your manifestation or your affirmation practice. Here is azurite malachite. This is Chrysocolla. Throat chakra. Have you been holding back saying what you need to say? Perhaps it is inappropriate because perhaps it's a boss or a family member that is just going to cause more strife or negative energy. So a way that you can clear that is to write them a letter, never going to send it, never going to give it, and write out what you need to say and then burn it. If you can't burn where you are, then rip the paper up into tiny pieces, not an angry, but just, tearing it up with love, because that is what's going to help heal and remove the blockage from your throat chakra. Golden healer. Energies that require healing, require release, and this is also, it's also called yellow hematoid quartz. So we have protection energies, we have magnification of the energies, the positive way, and for your solar plexus and your sacral chakra. So relationship issues with yourself because you're not happy with what you've done or not done, or someone else. So rose quartz, amethyst, chrysocolla, and golden healer. And this is selenite to keep all the energies pure and protective. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.